Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. You may have noticed that we've created bundles on our website in order to save you money. So in front of me I have one of our Cummins adapter kits, and conveniently we've created these bundles that you can easily add to your cart while you're on the product page. This one, for example, you can add additional hardware to bolt your flex plate to your engine or your starter to the adapter plate. So you can add those on and you could save some money that way. Another thing I wanted to note is that we now have a 6.4 starter that you can also bundle with this kit. The 6.4 starter is required for the Cummins kits, so now we have it in stock and you don't have to shop elsewhere for that starter. So if you want to find out more about the Cummins adapter kits and bundles, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.